Proszę moc. Znowu będzie kolcem obrabać semet. Czyli gonna kolcem and semet. You just have to go a little bit of okay. Sorry. Full private for Christmas child. What the hell? I left it. Okay, so what I do? I know how to press. Another one. Bang kindergarten.
A facility-wide code breach has been issued. The following media is to be watched by all employees. Welcome to the Employee Survival Guide. Case 8. The Spider. Keeping your limbs intact is our top priority. This is only achievable if you know what to do in the scenario of Case 8. Breaching containment. Knowledge is your weapon. Step 1. Don't be a hero. Case 8 is stronger, faster, and more aggressive than you could ever hope to be. Don't try to fight Case 8. It won't end well for you. And remember, you won't look any better for your office crush as a mangled mess. If you suspect that Case 8 is stalking you, locate the nearest surface that you can hide under. Case 8 is highly agile and can attack from any angle, including above you. If hiding is not an option, cause as much noise as possible. Step 3. Contact the emergency services. At the first sign of Case 8's presence, contact the reclamation team. They will be immediately dispatched to your location. Step 4. Understand your liabilities. The safety of Case 8 is important to us. If you use lethal force against Case 8 in self-defense or otherwise, you will be obligated to compensate us as per your contract. The reclamation team is trained to handle breaches. Let them deal with it. You are encouraged to work in groups that are no smaller than 2. Employees discovered to have given up their co-workers' lives to save theirs will be harshly punished. Selfishness is the #1 enemy of a healthy work environment. And with that, we conclude this safety guide. Remember, keep a wider eye on the ceiling.
You may punch in this good people. There? Sorry. I'm too skillful touching. Hello? Hello. Просто кегот. Oh, Napolina, so there is something. We do need to look toward it. So did it. Perciò ho detto... Oh. Do I need to touch? Oh. Just grab it. All strings on my pushes. This style. Yeah. Ow. We need items to need. How? I have items. Oh, sure. Not again, meeting. I definitely hate you. What happened now? Oh! Oh! Wait. Ah! That was the biggest bomb ever. That was really not a cool idea, I'm sorry. I love Nemlin. I love Tiffany's Spider seconds more. I'm sorry. I just pressed it. Go and see, we'll see. Not there. Don't be optimist.
Kuris skamba šiek tiek primena iš tikrųjų 80-ųjų pop žvaigždės, tokias kaip grupė Pet Shop Boys. Daina yra apie aistrą, kuri užvaldo ir jai pasiduodi ir pamiršti visą kitą. Ir štai tokį aistringą pasirodymą mes netrukus pamatysime scenoje. Olis Aleksandris ir jo bičiuliai jums paruošė numerį, kuris vyksta, kaip tuoj pamatysite, sporto klubo persirengimo kambaryje. Jungtinė karalystė, Oli Aleksandris, Dizzy.
Wait. There are police. Can you see them? Бро, смотри, moving. Простите, это такое? Вы знаешь, ты пилочка? Huh? Looks familiar. Who are you? Hey, get back. Oh shit! Huh? I'm just stupid.
Do you humans ever get easier to
Oh, Surechi, I'm high.
The limitations of your bodies disgust me. Grab me the scissors. At this very moment, you might think of yourself as unlucky, but I am here to tell you that you are actually privileged. Privileged to be part of my operations. You'll die as part of something greater than yourself, not some loser that nobody will remember.
Can I move for now?
Those aren't the scissors. How
What a bad song. to do this with their son. Has millions of sons. You're dead. You're a little bit sleepy. Oi. Go to bed. What do I need to find? I can't go. Oh. I'm sorry for that about something like this. I'm a stupid ever to exist. I don't. Not syringe again. Oh my. What is she doing? I hate Randy Boss.
Tibonis Aleksandras ir Britų olimpinio boksininkų treniruočių stovykla šiais metais kiek įdomesnė negu kitur. Jungtinė karalystė, Dina Dizzy, Olis Aleksandras iš Jungtinės karalystės. Mes išgirdome 12 komandos dalyvių ir jie jau gali tikėtis po pasirodymo. O jūs jau galite už juos balsuoti. Gana jūsų rankose, bet vis dar liko 13 dainų.
Kokia pėdarastė.
Eurovizijos dainų konkursas.
Pabaig. Oi. Do something. Oh, there's a Milton's. I just make a bad.
Pavasario saulė taip gražiai nuspalvino dvarą milijonus pilųjų žiedų ir pavasario Išskirtinai tik Lietuvoje Dirty Dancing in Concert. Europos turos vieninteliai pasirodymai Baltijos šalyse. Filmas Purvini šokiai bus rodomas dideliame ekrane, o scenoje išvysite gyvo garso grupę atlikėjus ir šokėjus, kurie atliks visus kino juostoje gerai žinomus kūrinius. Taip pat šou režisieriai žada vakarėlio dar atmosferą koncerto pabaigoje, kai visi žymiausi kūriniai bus atlikti dar kartą. Visą tai pristato viena didžiausių pasaulio kino ir pramogų rinkos kompanijų Lionsgate. Partneriai LRT, Bilietai LT. Patikrinti galima ne tik ar užrakinai duris, loterijos bilietą, koks šiandien oras, bet ir IT žinias. Nemokamai pasitikrinkite savo žinias itexaminas.lt. Egzaminas vyks gegužės 17 dieną. Organizuoja Lietuvos startuolių asociacija Unicorns Lithuania. Džiazo revoliucionieriai, pasaulinio garso meistrai festivalyje Vilnius Mama Jazz. Gegužės 23-26 dienomis nacionalinėme dramos teatre. Festivalį finansuoja rėmėjai. Sostinės pavasario bėgsiu pranešimą.
Okay, fine. What the fuck are you saying? I did care nothing. What the fuck I say? Не смогла слушать.
I implore you to consider the opportunity. In any case, we have much more important matters to discuss. Follow me. A friend of mine filled me in on
Okay, sorry.
happened on the floors above.
I'm sorry.
They mentioned a nosy
Just enough. Jumbo Josh. Okay.
I was
Just
trusted
promise
with
to
the
do
final
whatever you...
piece of the scepter, and I did not plan.
Okay.
And to achieve that,
Oh, shut up, you stupid... What? Shut up, Celine Dion.
Eurovizijoje atstovauja grupė Gotye, gerai žinoma metalo
a
gerbėja.
full
Just
scepter
love your
in the
children
hands of
gay
Dadu is the guaranteed death of all of
What has
us.
got kids?
Let's make sure
What
it
did you do
doesn't
with your
come to
kids?
that. And look,
You just six to Bambolino or something, fucking idiots.
I imagine that at this point you're familiar
Hey,
with
yo.
this green specimen of incredible size and strength drawn on the board. It attacked our city a few hours ago.
Hey!
Likely because either too scared
Išjungi. Oh, my lord. How are we lucky that we got attacked?
just happened to
Mr.
involve
My plan
recapturing
is
the
just
green
to...
gorilla and using it to fight Sir Donadu's army.
So did you also
Reclaim the scepter to its rightful owners. Problem is, the green gorilla has vanished after the attack.
I
I've
forgot
been
to
trying
do
to
my
find it
flower
since.
one.
And it's too dumb for Donadu's powers to work on it, so I'm not too concerned about that. It's just a matter of finding this beast, imprisoning it, and releasing it when the time is right. Oh, that reminds me. I have just a thing for you.
I told you. What?
Let's see what my assistants have prepared for
Can I
us,
jump?
shall we?
The hot string. What the? Oh, how stiffly. Bro, really strong. That's a slick.
Introduce to you, Remote
Oh my god! Thank god this is the road. Take it, alias. Thank you, man. Much. Thank you. I have another one. Yay, yay.
Side me goes crazy.
There,
To the test. See that
what would they do? I only wanna find.
That's where you'll go when you need to take control
Hey,
of
Ra
your
Ra.
drone. This new remote will act like a password. It'll give you access to the control panels. Of course, you can still use it the old-fashioned way. Some situations require you to continue from a different perspective. There's a big button on the opposite side of this wall. Now let's see if you can hit it while you maneuver your drone.
How? Scroll down, right? Oi! Oi! Where? Куда я go? Куда ты идешь? Что ты знаешь, ты почему сопроводишь? What the fuck? I told myself. Oh my god, this is the really cool what I've ever seen. What do you be sabe? But no. What the heck? Ai. Labą dieną. Aš šūdų nekalbėjau, rotaurai, pai. What is funny? What the fuck is it? Shitty fuck. Wait till I press the button.
Gotė iš Norvegijos.
Who's that secret? Oi! I just request.
Šiuo atveju grupės vokalistė šitoje dainoje atlieka tos podukros,
I found a
kurie
syringe
gerai baigėsi
secret.
vaidmenį, o ne pamotės vaidmenį. Mes keliaujam toliau ir dabar keliaujam į Italiją.
Oh, damn.
Čia Angelina Mango. Šiais metais
Bro,
yra
this
tokia
looks
taisyklė,
so
kad kažkaip
cool.
su Eurovizija turi būti susijusi.
Gross
Kokia nors Mango.
again.
Lietuvoje mes atrankos finale
What the
turėjome grupę
fuck, I'm
Mango, o
losing.
italai išsiuntė Angeliną Mango. Dainininkė, kuri užaugo muzikalioje šeimoje, jos tėtis žinomas Italijos dainininkas Giuseppe Mango, taigi čia tikra jos pavardė. O jos mama, buvusi grupės Matija Bazar, kurią jūs galbūt vyresni žiūrovai gerai žinot, dainininkė Laura Valente, Angelina Mango groja pianinu ir gitara, 2020-aisiais pradėjo profesionalią karjerą, greitai sulaukė didžiulės sėkmės ir ji čia atlieka kūrinį, kuris vadinasi Lanoja. Jame jaučiamas ir repo, ir šiuolaikinės pop muzikos tam tikras džiaugsmas. Ir šis kūrinys yra apie tai, kad jauniems žmonėms šiais laikais.
But that wasn't too hard, was it?
Yes.
It was. Well, too bad. That's your problem. We'd better get to finding that green gorilla. I have no idea what Sir Donna knows.
Yes, Mr.
There's a witness waiting for me on one of the streets, and I've got a mess that I gotta clean up thanks to you. Why don't you go talk to them instead? I told them I might not come myself anyway, and instead send someone. So they'll talk to you. The city is lit up.
I see it's a little up, so it could be safe for the naughty ones. Find a good stuff. Full screen jump just for about. Oh, there. Oh, sure. The town. Hey, you motherfucker. Where are you going? Hey. Just fell off. Just fell off for no reason. I so crazy. Fucking fly. I forgot. Hi little baby. Hi little baby, how are you? I forgot to turn off the fly. Oh my god. I love this movie. It's like a Godzilla movie. It's Godzilla. Oh. Hi. Roblox fucking slow. What are you doing with the children? It's hurting the kids. Alcohol. Hey, yellow grass. What the fuck, everything? I forgot to turn my flag on. Oh, this guy. Oh, this one. Hi, Mr.
Since you, a human, what happened to this city? They must just be hiring anybody now. Fine, I'll stoop down to your level. I've seen what the monster that attacked the city look like, but I don't know where they went.
Where is it? Where is it?
If you could just bring me something to draw on, I give it from myself to the mayor for all he's done to
Who is
us.
that behind me? Something's behind my back. Oh, something's behind. Let's see what I want to do. I need something to try on. To what? Okay, let's see, something. So this is very good.
Kannst du bitte deine Stimme ein wenig senken?
Ich bin in einem Anstarrwettbewerb. Mein Gegner ist viel stärker, als ich erwartet habe.
Stronger than it. You're a Spanish guy. Spanish too. Pizza. Please say. Teacher? I like movies. I can want faster. You have to know reason to enter it. So what do I do next? We just shoot you out or something. Guess it's good fighting with the dinosaur. Horny. Oh. What are you doing? I'm just... What the fuck I'm doing? Sleeping? No, stop sleeping. Oh! Hey, what the fuck I'm doing? This game is trash. No, it's like better. People are stupid. Oh. Hey. Ooh, some secrets. What is that? Is there something secret over here? Wait, is that my grandpa chair? No, wait, that is Four Brothers. How to know that? How do Four Brothers know my? I fucking stuck. A flying mouse. Hi there, where are you going? Can I press that again? So what do I do next? I'm flying freaking faster and I do nothing something. Pizza. So that's syringe on right. There's so many actually, guys. He's looking for me, man. But this game is taking so long. I'm calling Gray or something different. What if I do? To break it out of my or something. Wait, where's my mouse? No. What? Wait. What do I do next, bro? Can I just do something?
Viskas tylu tarsi po vandeniu. Aš šaukiu, kad garsas nesklinda iš burnos. Toks tekstas yra šitoje dainoje. Tai kas sklinda, visai neblogai sklinda. Serbija yra finale. Ir pažiūrėsime pabaigoje, kurią į vietą užims šiandieną. O dabar keliaujam pas vienos iš didžiausių Eurovizijos linksmuolių. Pokštininkas Windows 95 Man ir jo geriausias draugas, vokalistas Henry Eastmanas netrukus pasirodys scenoje. Windows 95 Man, kaip pats prisistato, yra labai gerai žinomas publikos linksmintojas, šokėjas ir visame pasaulyje žinomas modelis. Jeigu ką, tai šitas štai vaikinas su akiniais taip kalba apie save, ir žinoma, tai, ką jis čia kalba, yra visiškas pokštas. Pats save jis apibūdina kaip labai mielą, tylų intravertą, labai kuklų žmogų, tačiau viskas pasikeičia, kai jis apsivelka savo uniformą, štai šios marškinėlius ir džinsinius šortus. Tada jis virsta
Let's make it slower.
This'll do.
Okay, I know. So go to something. No slow motion. There's a freaking cat, I'm scared of me. No, not just normal walking. In 57 minutes, I will upload them in part 5. Welcome to the TV. That looks a lot scary. I like this game, just leave it. I'm gonna speak to this guy who used to have the Lord. But these pizza. Oh. That got game, let's go. Hi.
Out of all the people that the mayor could have sent, he sends you? A human? What happened?
Here.
This'll do.
This will do. Bullshit, good culture.
This is the best I can do, and don't ask for another one. I don't draw duplicates. Not for your kind.
Give me that.
Go to the bar and ask around with this photo. They'll have somebody more intelligent than you on the case.
Oh my god. Give me that, please.
Pathetic.
Чему Josh? So the gift acceleration, right? Drawings? How? How is it model? Let's look. Wait. What are guys walking? Like he's walking slowly. Hey, stop. Stop. Stop it. Wait. I said stop. No, stop. Don't stop, man. What do we do next? She walked through it. What the hell? What do we do next? Okay, I'm too smart this game. Brick yellow grass? Glass? What any glass?
Sniego baltumo pasirodymas, beje, ne paskutinis toks šį vakarą, tai neišjungti televizorių, neikit miegoti ir pamatysite dar vieną tokį, bet jeigu visai rimtai, grupė hipnotizuoja. Iš tiesų hipnotizuoja, iš tiesų įdomu, išsiskiria iš minios kitų pasirodymų. Na, nuo suomių tai tikrai labai skiriasi šitą dainą ir aš manau, kad Eurovizijoje ji tikrai suras savo gerbėjų. Šios grupės muzikoje susipina modernūs garsai ir įvairių kraštų armėnų, vakarų, Indijos folkloro elementai. Daina čia, kokiu išgirsit, anot pačių grupės Lada Dievo narių yra įkvėpta stebėtinai į Armėnijos folklorą panašių Reunjono salos Indijos vandenyno ritmų. Štai taip, Armėnija.
Oh my god. What the fuck are you doing? Definitely dragon. I'm loaded with something very different. Stop? Please, okay, please. Oh! Try again. I'm breaking the glass. What the f? Oh, this is not working. Oh my god, just go there. Go up. Just try to show something. It's a little bit hard.
Šitą kūrinį jie nuolat groja užkulisiuose. Aš visai norėčiau į vakarėlį su armėnais. Jie atrodo kaip žmonės, su kuriais tikrai yra smagu. Štai Olando gerbėjai su Olando marškinėliais. Olando šį vakarą vyra. Beje, daina Žako, kurią ką tik girdėjote, iš tiesų turi gilę reikšmę šios grupės dainininkė, kadangi jos vardas yra Žaklina, o Žako yra sutrumpinimas ir vaikystėje ją taip vadindavo mama ir močiutė, kurios nuolat sakydavo, Žako nedaryk taip, nedaryk anaip, Žako mergaitės turi būti kuklios, mergaitėms netinka tas, mergaitėms netinka anas. Žmogus ir žmogus tam nepavyzdžiui, kad šitą tai pasakyti. Ir tegul niekas jums nenurodinėja. Dabar mes keliaujame į Kiprą ir čia Silvija Karsis, jauniausia konkurso dalyvė, jai 17 metų. Energingas pasaulinis kūrinys Liar, kuris pateko į finalo pirmojo pusfinalio. Beje, beveik neabejoju, kad Kiprui šiais metais 12 taškų duos Australija, kadangi Australija yra iškritusi ir turi save negalėtų balsuoti. O Silvija Karsis ir yra iš Australijos. Ji gimė ir užaugo Sidnėjuje, tiesiog kilmės. Antrus metus iš eilės Kipras atsiunčia į Euroviziją dainininkus gyvenančius Australijoje. Ir dabar mes pamatysim, kaip tai skamba ir atrodo.
Somebody here. What the invincible? Invincible. Who just attacked? Oh, I said attack. Oh, hello fellas. What's up? What's up?
I can't be seen talking to you. Didn't you read the signs?
Yes.
I can't be seen talking to you. Didn't you read the signs?
Yes. How the fuck are you doing this? What the fuck are you doing? Really need to look. Stop looking at me, bitch. You have two for. I just read it. Good stuff. What do I do next, man? Oh, what is this? The keyboard. Do you look the cool? I don't know.
Interesting. I believe it. Did you need something?
Sure.
Interesting. The boss will want to talk to you. Head to the back and I'll have the door open for you.
Dėl to kai kurios savanorės ir kavinės darbuotojos Eurovizijos užkulisiuose kitos stebisi, kitos stengiasi pro kibro kambarėlį vaikščioti kuo dažniau. Čia buvo Kibras, o dabar Šveicarija.
I really stupid like this. Still walking up. Is homeless or something? Interesting. Did he lift his cards backwards? Interesting. This is got on the boss and talk something to him. He's so cute. I just...
You should have seen Donadu in his prime. That guy had ambition and dedication that I've yet to see contested. What your kind has done to him and us. It forced him to dedicate all that potential to try and eradicate those that created him. Now, to ease your nerves, I don't think he's after you. He's after those that betrayed him, which includes me. If only we weren't such cowards when we were caught and actually stood by him, maybe we would have been victorious.
He's not looking.
The scepter was first given to the queen as some meaningless prop. To help her settle better into her role, you know?
I know.
All those extra feet.
Shut the fuck up. I just forgot again, man. Liam. Is this a freaking show game about it? Oh my gosh, shut it. What's in your order?
Being the queen's personal bodyguard to some bounty hunter living in an alley. What is she gonna tell me? I couldn't save Mrs. Mason. The naughty ones got her. I think I'm sticking worse than that. Started, but it's worse than that. Dead, or brain dead. Maybe it's that ridiculous plan to use the green gorilla against Sir Dadadu too. You're on your own with this one. It's impossible to pull it off without fake, bro. You know I'm all out of fake, bro. We got someone in one of the apartment buildings claiming they have very valuable information about the whereabouts of the green gorilla. This red key card will give you access to said apartment building. Wouldn't hurt to see what you got.
I should look on this next. Yeah,
It's right to transfer me down here where they did. I belong in some forgotten alley next to all the garbage and carton boxes. Ain't any more useful than they are.
Džiazo žvaigždės paliesas dvare, kontrabosininkas Markas Dreseris, saksofonininkas Varis Oksas, perkusininkas Vladimiras Tarasovas, trio Jones, paliesas dvare.
This is from Jesus.
Neplatink knygų nelegaliai, neteks raudonuoti. Apie autorių teisės žinoti sveika. Skaitykis su knygomis, neplatink nelegaliai.
Who's screaming?
Geriausias nakties laukimas tikrai neprails, nes jau dabar skelbiame Mango jonines. Su gyvo garso grupe atliekamos geriausios Mango dainos išskirtiniame finalinėme
You know, it's different history.
Aukštuomenės pramogos nuo senų laikų gaubė paslaptis. Už kabinetės įkraidų, slapčiausių geismai darysdavo jaunimą.
Finalmente! Alguém realmente respondeu minha reclamação do barulho. Hã? Que isso? Você está aqui por causa da minha reclamação do barulho? Então por que você está aqui? Música da boa cidade, né? Claro que não tem que estar vizinho acima de mim está gritando uma hora. Não consigo me concentrar. Tem que ser uma coisa. Faça a pessoa acima de mim calar a boca. Será que ele sabe o que eu sei?
Penkių dienų kelionė po jaudulio salas Danų drąsus šiuolaikinio miesto festivalis Audra. Birželio 5-9 Misiūne. Daugiau Audra Festival.lt.
If you touch me, you gay. That's one of people copied me. Don't you copy it?
Eurovizijos dainų konkursą pristato Maroko.
Oh shit. Uh-oh. Not a Chester, the big guy. Oh, kurwa. Oh, it's a bodybuilder.
Grįžtame į Eurovizijos ir jūs prie ekrano dabar galvojat, kad geras festivalis. Norėčiau jį žiūrėti vėl ir vėl.
I hate you, Chester. Not you. Go hide.
Kodėlgi nenusipirkus Eurovizijos rūmų akmens? Visos 37 dainos užrašytos ant šio akmens iš Malmės naujininkų. Arba bent jau man taip atrodo. Taip, štai Albanijos daina. Užrašykite Eurovizijos suvenyrų ir prisiminimus saugokite žmonėms.
I was just not that way.
Slovenija.
I'm scared. I don't want to put myself. That was really fast for this magic the mouse guy. Upload like 5 videos for the cement. It's a bodybuilder.
Rašytoja ir muzikos prodiuserė. Ji žinoma Slovenijos klasikinės muzikos pasaulyje, tačiau drąsiai eksperimentuoja su pop muzika, su elektroniniais garsais ir savo kuriamą muzikos žanrą vadina elektroopera. Netrukus mes išgirsime ir pamatysime jos pasirodymą. Slovenija, Raven, Veronika.
What?
You always hated my jokes.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the fuck? This one? Oh, not the... What the... Oh my god. I always missed. Okay.
Yra speciali lazanija iš Kroatijos, jo tikrasis vardas yra Marko Pulčičius ir jis čia ta daina Rimtim Tagedin. Daina atrodo labai linksmai, bet tuo pačiu neša svarbę žinią. Baby Lazanija yra susirūpinęs, kad iš Kroatijos masiškai emigruoja jaunimas, ieškantys geresnio gyvenimo užsienyje, taip pat iš kaimo, jie kraustosi į miestus. Pasiilgsiu savo piliečių, pasiilgsiu savo lovos, bet labiausiai pasiilgsiu mūsų šoką ir netrukus visi pamatysit. Kroatija.
What? Oh, wait. Okay. What a muscular time.
Always hated my jokes.
Okay. Nigerians.
You always hated my jokes.
What the fuck is that?
You always hated my jokes. You always hated my jokes.
I'll catch you!
Oh, I remember you.
Okay, let's do it
You
again.
always hated my jokes.
What the? What the? I'll show who's the better tinker to that. You think it better than me? I'll show who's better, that Joker.
You always hated my jokes.
Stop screaming. It's too much.
You always hated my jokes.
I knew it. I knew if you do that. I knew it. You did not smart than me. Just go faster, man. I knew it. Yeah. Oh my god, son of a god. Fast!
You always hated my jokes.
Something is stopping me. What? I just found fast as I can't. That's definitely cheating. Cheating. Who freaking awesome mods? That's definitely cheating.
You always hated my jokes.
We did it. Let's go. Please save me, you just shit.
Let's hide inside!
Okay. Faster than me.
I don't understand. All I asked you was to go talk to
Go
the
enter, please.
and find the whereabouts of Jumbo Josh.
That was
How
close.
did that end up with you running away from a crazed fitter giggle on rooftops?
Oh my god, the music.
Go stand in the corner to the left. And
Please
don't
help
make any
me. Please
noise.
help me. Oi!
Down.
Bro, a muscular. Look at his arms.
Get toasted.
Like a Ryan Cougar. Oh my god. No! Shut it! No!
I didn't mean to.
No!
It's okay. I deserve this. It's my enemy that's going down. This we don't cherish that. Jokes. And I've yet to have someone tell Sure.
Okay, I'll try. Why don't animals eat jesters? Because they taste funny.
I don't get it. Wait. That's
Viskas, visos 26 dainos jau nuskambėjo. Atsiprašau, 25. Vis pamirštu, kad Jostas buvo pašalintas. Truputį gaila Nyderlandų, na kita vertus negaila, jeigu iš tikrųjų Nyderlandų dainininkas padarė tai, kurio jis yra kaltinamas, bet gaila Nyderlandų gerbėjų, kurie tikrai ilgai laukia.
Rest in peace.
Ir tikėjosi Nyderlandų.
Chester.
Just leave me alone.
Jau vyksta, tačiau
Please.
laikyti savo